Alright, so we are here today at Disney's Animal Kingdom, as you can see, and we're going to do the pen challenge, and we're going to go around and answer all the questions and try and find all of the pens, and then we will go have lunch at Yak and Yeti and go see what else we can get to. And also, Lily is here, so this is going to be a Lily vlog. So here is the Pinquest. Alright, so it comes with this medallion, and then inside here is supposed to be all of the decoders and the clues. So we're going to open it up and see what our first clue is. Adventure. Purchase your first Disney Pinquest clue card at this destination. Pretty sure that's what this is. If there's anything else you're supposed to purchase.
I don't either. But I think this is it. We'll just go with that. Let's see if there's anything else in here.
Alright, so take two. I'm gonna do this the hard way because my gimbal is dying. So I think I finally figured out how to do the Pinquest thing. So when you go in to one of the, I think you can start at any of the retail shops. When you go in, you're gonna buy like an initial kit, which has the lanyard and it has the decoder that you'll have to use to decode all of your pens that you get, as well as the map. Let me show you the map.
Special map.
Alright, so here's the map. And as you can see, there's numbers on the side, or letters on the side and numbers on the bottom. And basically these pens, when you line them up with your decoder, will basically tell you where on the map you want to go. So I just got the first one. And as you can see, there's a 2 and then there's an F. So we're going to go to F2. And F2 lines up right over here. Pandora. So we're gonna go over to Win Traders and go get the next pen, or the next clue card. So when you go, the clues are gonna be on these cards, and this is what they look like. And they're gonna ask you a question. You're gonna have to go where that is and then answer the question. As long as you scratch off the Mickey, you'll be able to get the next pen. And I highly doubt, like, if you were to scratch them all off, that they're gonna like deny you the pen. You do have to pay at every stop, so I will let you know what the final price was for this little adventure when we finish. All right, we're going to Pandora next.
Hey, say hi. Say hi. What you doing? Lily.
Oh, don't play with you.
Hey.
Look.
Lily.
You're too busy looking at strangers. Okay, so here is the next clue. It says, Banshees can bond with Navi to fly together across the Pandoran sky. In the immersive shopping experience at Wind Traders, how many Banshees are seen flying around the bead bar? And so you have to add 2 to whatever your total is, and then you're going to take this card back up to the front and they will give you the pin. So now we're going to head back up there. Yep, and then you add 2. 12? And then you got 9, right?
12.
Alright, so you know, my dear, that in order to get your pin, you have to show us your best dancers. Just like that. A little shoulder shake? A little shimmy. Can you do like a little step touch? There you go. Do you like shimmy and step touch? There you go. That's a good one. That's my go-to at like parties or weddings. In the car? Literally. You have to have it contained, you know? You have to keep it bringing it in. I'm a fan. Alright, well thank you guys. You're welcome. Good luck on your next question.
So we got our new pen and it's got a Banshee on it. So now we are going to hook it up to our decoder. Align your triangles. Should be a lot easier than it is. And it looks like C2. So now we're gonna go to C2 on our map. Alright, so C2 looks like it's in Africa. That's over by the Festival of the Lion King, I think? No, that's Festival of the Lion King. So this is back by the safari ride. So we're gonna go back over to the store that's, I'm assuming, over by the safari. So that's where we're gonna go.
Everybody got to stop. Let's put down my door. Just a big say they go Asha and things are only better. Just all your mama propose it. Say they go Asha and things are only better. All your mama propose it. I'll tell you that I know skip by my door.
I'm gonna go with 1992.
I know.
No, I was wrong. Well, let's actually go. Here was this house built. Oh, it's probably on a plaque somewhere.
Okay, so I'm gonna stamp that.
Alright, so here is the next pin. And we're gonna put it on our decoder. Looks like we're going to F4. I hope you can see that. We're gonna go to F4, which I'm going to assume is going to be Asia. No, I was wrong. 4. F4. Yeah, so we're going here. Back to the front of the park to the Wilderness Explorers, so it's like.
Yep.
Yeah, we're going to the Outpost shop at Park Arrival. Alright, so we're going all the way to the front. We're gonna go for a little walk. I thought we would just go around in a circle, but we're not. So, I'll see you over there. Where'd they go? Where'd the bubbles go? Where'd all the bubbles go? Look, bubbles! Okay, so the next shop is actually outside the park at the Outpost shop. That's all the way out past security, so that's where we're going. We left all our stuff with Alyssa, so we'll go get this next pen. So now that we figured out the clue, we're gonna go turn in our card for our pen. They're not these. Yeah, they don't ever want to come out.
Probably trying to get you to separate the tickets so they don't have to give you anything. Alright. Yeah.
Chester and Hester love all things dinosaur. As you look around dinosaur memorabilia that's collected throughout the years, find the photo of Chester and Hester. Once you find Chester and Hester, look close by. How old is the mammoth tooth next to the photo? Okay, so now that we have all the pens, we have to decode what is on the back of each pen. So that is what we're gonna do now. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed tagging along with us for the pins. Some couple of tips is definitely start at the front of the park at the first store. That way you don't have to go back out in the middle of your game. And you can technically go to any of those spots, you can go anywhere and you can end anywhere. And you don't have to do it all in one day. You can do it, like space it out like for every time you come here. I will post a total. I'm gonna go home tonight and add up all my receipts and I will put a total. It was roughly, with my pass holder discount, somewhere around $80 to $100. So it's not cheap, but it was fun and the pens are really cool that you get. So they're definitely one of a kind. And so anywho, so that's it for now. See you guys later.